So now let's try circle tool. The aim of circle tool is to draw circle from certain point to radius. So it is very easy to do. You have just to click once on your document, and after you have just to move with your mouse and you can create circle like you want, like this, like this. And in the same at the same time, like for example, you can raise the right dimension with radius. So here I create a circle and I'm going to type 4 meters, and the radius will be 4 meters, like this. Here a second circle and 2 meters, I type 2 meters, like this. And on another axis, you can change. If you use, for example, the eraser tool, you can delete this, and create just one shape, like this. So this is for the circle tool.